Hello children, hope all are safe at home. In the previous grade, you have learned how to sort and represent data, isn't it? So in this class, let's learn about pictographs and bar graphs. So we are in our 13th chapter, which is data handling. In this video about data handling, we would learn pictographs, that is using pictures, and bar graphs, that is using horizontal and vertical bars. Our first topic is pictographs. So this is an interesting way to represent data using pictures or symbols. So here you can see a pictograph which represent the favorite colors of students of class 3 and 4. So here you can see it is represented using spoons. So one spoon represents 30 students. Okay. So this is for green color, this is for blue, and this orange, and the last is for red color. And I told that one spoon represent 30 students. So here for green it would be 90, for blue it is 5 into 3, which is 150, for orange it is 30, and here for red it is 60. Okay. Here the question is, how many students like blue color? So blue color is liked by, here it is 5 into 30 is 150 students. Okay. And which color is the most liked? From this pictograph you can easily find which color is most. It is blue. So blue color is the most liked color. And which one is the least liked? Here orange is having only 1, that means only 30 students like orange. So this is the least liked color. And next question is, what is the difference between the students who like green color and orange color? So green color is liked by 90 students and orange by 30. So 90 minus 30 is 60 students. And the last question is, what is the total number of students in class 3 and 4? So if you count, you will get 11 spoons. So 11 into 30, which is 330 students. Now let's watch a video related to pictograph.
Today, Mr. Duck has brought nice oranges to his shop. He is sure that he will have a good sale. To keep an account of the sale, he decides to make a table on a board. He makes 2 columns, one for the name of the customer and the other for the number of oranges sold. Look, his first customer, Mr. Bear, has come. On seeing the oranges, Mr. Bear says, "The oranges look really good, Mr. Duck. Please give me 6 oranges." Mr. Duck gives him 6 oranges and then notes it down on the board. Instead of writing a number, he draws those many oranges. Oh, look! Bunty, Cookie, Appu, Tinky and Gattu have also come to Mr. Duck's shop to buy oranges. Mr. Duck again draws the number of oranges taken by each of them. Now, his board looks like this. This is known as a pictograph or a pictograph. In a pictograph, pictures are used to represent numbers. Let us use this table to answer some questions. The first question is, how many oranges did Cookie buy? In front of Cookie's name, there are 2 oranges, which means that she bought 2 oranges. The next question is, how many oranges did Gattu buy? There are 5 oranges in front of Gattu's name, so he bought 5 oranges. The third question is, who bought the most number of oranges? From the table, we can say that Mr. Bear bought the most number of oranges. The fourth question is, who bought equal number of oranges? Bunty and Tinky both bought 4 oranges each. Thus, Bunty and Tinky bought equal number of oranges. The next question is, how many oranges did Appu and Tinky buy in all? Appu bought 3 oranges and Tinky bought 4 oranges. Thus, in all, they bought 7 oranges. How many more oranges did Gattu buy than Cookie? Gattu bought 5 oranges and Cookie bought 2 oranges. Hence, Gattu bought 5 minus 2, that is, 3 oranges more than Cookie. Such tables are used to represent given information in short.
Our next topic is bar graphs. So this is yet another interesting way to represent data using horizontal bars or vertical bars. Okay. So here you can see 2 axes which represent number of students and the activity. Okay. So the activities are given as doodling, singing, martial art, skating and swimming. Okay. And from this bars you can understand how many students like doodling. 50 students like doodling. And here 40 students like singing. Here 90 students like martial arts. Here 70 students like skating and 50 students like swimming. So if you get questions related to this data, you can easily look at this bar graph and find. For example, if you get a question like how many students are there in martial arts, it is 90. So using this bar, you can easily find how many students like martial arts. How many students are there in singing? It is 40. So here there are 10 less than in doodling and swimming. So here we have 40 and in doodling and swimming there are 50. So any questions related to this data, you can find the answers. In this video, we learned about pictographs and bar graphs. As an activity, you can draw a bar graph in which the horizontal scale represent your subjects and the vertical scale represent the marks. Can you do that? So children, hope you have understood both pictograph and bar graph. So take care. Bye.